Yeah, he's about to get bachelor then.
Yeah.
Bro, look at that move up.
Hmm.
Like,
And
what?
it can continue up to that pivot. If it breaks, if it breaks this area right here, it will continue to that pivot.
Oh, that, yeah, yeah. But it at the same time, it
Mhm.
might it might just come right back down.
Yeah, well,
Wait, let me show you the thingies. Hold on. Let me show you the little thingies. The little thingies. Um, pum 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 pum. Pum. You ready? Where are you? Right there. Look at that. Is that what you were talking about yesterday?
well,
I sent you a message on WhatsApp.
okay.
The little indicator that shows on the screen.
What the fuck is that? Insane. I mean, zero positions, dash, everything is zero, 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 zero. Okay. Just trying to make sure that anything here. Let me look at what you just showed me. Hold on.
Okay, right on. Take your time. It's all good.
Oh yeah, that's correct. Yep. Yep.
Right? It's so nice. I like it. It shows exactly where your emails are, what emails you have on, and what's so special about it, shows the price point that they're on.
Mm-hmm.
Like, brother, man, what are you even doing?
Bro, don't fuck around with the shit.
For real. Brother, what's that, brother? Brother, All right, all right, all right, all right, okay, okay, all right, all right,
70,
okay, all
77.
right. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
All right, bro.
All right.
Yep.
I was about to say something, but no. All right. Bye. I'll be right back.
Why aren't you saying anything, bro?
If you were in this streaming on YouTube, I would have.
Kick your shit out, bro. All right, that's one. 57, 54. Mhm. Mhm. Good morning, Keith. What's up, man?
Hello,
What's up, Keith?
good morning. Sorry, my
Good.
computer isn't working. So what do we got going around here?
So we got a little breakout. That's what we're waiting for.
It sure started the day down, huh?
It did. It sure did.
They're going to push it up, I bet. Looks like they're going to make it positive for the day.
Possible.
Or
Uh,
it's going to be level, or it's going to go down. I'm not really
oh,
ready to commit.
It
How'd your flight go yesterday?
was good. It was good. It's IFR, you know.
Yeah, you get a lot of that there.
Yeah, I'm supposed to go pick him up today, but there's a storm. I mean, we're at the tail end of the storm,
Right?
but the tail end of the storm has got like 30 knot winds, and I don't want to go.
You don't like 30 knot winds?
Not really.
You're such a God, you're so wimpy.
I know, man.
They are, so my mechanic is doing an annual on a Navajo,
Oh yeah.
and the guy's selling it, I guess. He doesn't have a line on it yet, but he's definitely trying to sell it.
Oh yeah.
You need another Navajo?
I'm looking for one actually.
Really?
Is it a chieftain?
I don't know. Let me ask. I think he's only asking. Let me get the details. Hold on. I'll send my mechanic. What year and model is the Navajo? How much is he asking? My mechanics don't like Navajos.
They don't like them?
No, they just feel like they're, you know, not great. But
They're really good airplanes.
I mean, I think they are really solid. I just think it's just one of the older planes where like, oh yeah, it's hard to, you know,
No, mechanics don't like Navajos because parts are hard to find.
right. That's
Right.
kind of the impression.
Yeah.
Ooh, so you got to teach me how to draw these lines better and more accurate because Connor kind of knows and he was showing me, but let's see.
So you gotta go right here, click on it, go to Finite.
Hold on. Let me see where you, okay, so where'd you click? Oh, go over there, click
Here,
finite.
finite, click on it, and then go to your price and then keep your left click, hold it down, and then you can draw.
So, okay. So for today, based on, and the other thing is I want you to show me how to like make the charts work better, like the way they move and all that too. And like, how do I make it smaller on my screen like yours? Mine's like all the way like super tight, tall.
I don't understand what you mean because my screen takes it all.
No, like see how where your red line is here on the Micro E Mini and the other red line, and see how much of the screen your range is showing. My range is all the way up at the top and all the way at the bottom. Like my range goes to
Like
the
this?
MNQ.
Are you like this?
Can I share my screen
Yeah.
for a minute?
Yeah. Let me
I don't want to screw up your trade.
no, I'm not in a trade. Go ahead and share it.
All right. So
Good morning, Alexia.
Hi, good morning. How's it going?
Okay, because you're
see
all right.
this?
Yeah. So right here, okay.
Here, let me give you remote control so you can show me. There you go.
Okay, you see these this area right here? Just
Uh-huh.
left click and hold it down and then move this way.
Oh, okay. So if I do it on the other side,
And then if you do it right here too on
Oh.
the bottom, you left click, hold it down, and you can do this.
okay, let me try on the right one.
Yeah. So
All right, so I go here and I go,
yeah, and then
but the first thing I want to do is kind of move this
There you go. Keep going. Yeah. That's it.
Where do you determine where this should be?
I just kind of where it's comfortable for you, doesn't really. I
Well,
like
just
to see where my pivot points are at. And so
okay.
I don't go this way, and I just kind of like normal. This is
Okay, now I don't have my EMA in here.
okay. Why?
I don't know.
Right
Connor
click,
screwed it up.
right click, and go to indicators. Actually, no. Cancel that because we did a template for you, right?
Yeah, I think so.
So right click, and then go to apply template, and then go to your yeah,
Oh,
there you
okay.
go.
And then I do the same thing here.
Yeah, because we did that the first day.
Okay,
Oh,
so then now I can adjust this a little bit.
exactly.
That's a little too much. Yeah, because the more you do this, the more the EMAs, like if you go like this, your EMAs kind of gets like flat.
Yeah, you can't see it.
It's going straight.
Yeah, right.
It doesn't have to be like perfect. You just kind of want it indicating the direction a little bit.
Correct.
So it's looking like we're going to see a push up. Is this 3-5?
Looks like it's a push up, but right now it could hold a floor or ceiling right here, and it can come right back down. That's what
Where?
we'll see. Well, let me
Right here?
yeah, let me unshare you. Stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here I can do stop share. Hang on. Okay. Thank you.
All right. So right here could be a ceiling. Oh,
Right.
what?
But it looks like it blew through it.
It's going to come up to the pivot point for sure.
Wow. Quit school. You need to be trading. Connor called me. I told him you're missing big trades. All right. Let's see a big move up. I feel like it's going to go up today. I know
It's
there's
possible.
Connor's mad he could be making millions right now, but he's got to go to school.
Million.
You're going to have to talk to him, David. He's literally, this isn't just, he's geeked out on it. It's like, wait till he gets on today. You guys are going to laugh. Oh, Dad, I tried the overnight European market. Oh, can I do that? Can I trade this? What can I trade? I'm like, dude, would you just slow down? But I like that he's trying other markets too and just seeing how these things apply.
Right.
Yeah, he tried trading European market, but the volume was bad. Dave, you're going to have to find a way for him to trade 24/7. I'm going to buy a meth. I'm going to buy a meth plant, and he's going to trade, make millions in about 2 weeks. We'll do like a group, like stay awake day.
Stay awake day.
Yeah, we'll do like a 48-hour trading for pilot traders. It'll be huge. I'm liking what I'm seeing though. I actually started the day minus like 5,000 or 6,000 on one of my trades because it went down. And now I'm only minus 800 on the trade total because my dollar cost averaged in.
Good there. I'm out of that one.
Let me see. Oh man, if this thing goes up a little more, holy crap. You think it's gonna go to the blue dashed line above?
Pivot. Yeah, it's very possible, actually. Very possible. Everything is pointing to that.
And that pivot point that's from yesterday's, right?
Right. That's the high and low from yesterday, the average of the high and low from yesterday.
Got it.
There it is. What the hell? That's weird.
it just went crashing down today.
That was very weird what happened.
So could I put like other stocks and commodities into the Orion and chart it the same way?
Yes, you can. You can trade the QQQ and SPY.
Okay.
Check it. What the hell's going on?
You made 88 bucks.
Yeah, but I'm having some issues.
Yeah, you're not supposed to get that notification.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm
That says the
getting.
order failed.
Yeah, I don't know
And
why.
also your tiers and your stock, everything like, disappeared when you were
I
taking that.
know.
So, that's interesting.
That's very interesting.
Try to reset your software.
Oh, log out, log back in.
Yeah.
No, not you, Connor. David's software is kind of working wonky. Holy moly.
That's just happened
This
when
market
you're
is
in like a
crazy.
position.
Yeah, that's crazy. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna well, I don't want to restart it because I have to redraw it.
Not really. If I don't think so. I've done it before.
Yeah, but I
It
have to
brings
redraw. I have to redraw my lines.
interesting. I don't think so if I had to.
I just don't understand why. So I got a broker reject. Let me call Elon.
Mm.
Broker. Because that's not a software issue, that's a broker issue. So it was supposed to go on the trailing stop,
Mhm.
and the trailing stop order got a see right here, they got a broker reject.
Mhm.
And I don't know why. That's
Why?
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's not the software really. That's the so it could be something on their end. I'm not sure.
Okay. That hasn't happened before, right?
I've had it happen before. It
Okay.
happens all the time. Hmm. I already told him that that's what's happening, so he's looking into it. That one's rejected. Because if you look here, you go show all. Stop completed, completed. Maybe it was a software thing. I don't know. You call fresh. Look at that now. That's what I was worried about. When I got in here, that's why I canceled and I got out of that trade. I was worried about that.
It was right time.
Dude, I know. I was like, I'm out. I'm
Yeah.
outie, bro.
I mean, look at that big drop. But I always, it's like insane because Nasdaq is supposed to have more volume than ES. And look at like sometimes it moves fast.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trailing on NQ right now. Like good. Oh yeah, I'm set.
You trailing? Oh, did you go long or short?
I was on. I have 85 contracts and making 3,000 on that trail right now, just on ES.
Bro.
But yeah, that up right there. Hmm.
It's gonna continue to go up, I think.
Yeah.
Wow, we took it all back.
Yeah.
Hey, David.
What's up, Connor? Good morning.
How you doing?
It is 58. So it's 59. So 59 is that. This could be a ceiling right here. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Okay.
Hey, David, the orange EMA, what it's supposed to be 50, right?
It's 50, yeah.
Okay, so I gotta change it. It was at 30 and I was confused.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Liberto. Very possible I could take this whole thing right back. So this is this is an important floor right here. So puts here to buy in options to buy puts here would not be a bad idea.
Are you waiting for that to close right there, David? Are
What?
you waiting for that candle to close right there on the ES? Above it?
Yeah, I want to see what it's gonna do. I mean, from what I'm seeing, this could be a floor.
The ceiling, you mean?
But if it closes above, if we get a candle that closes above that, it will go up to here.
Okay.
If not, this will come back down.
You mean a ceiling though, right?
I'm sorry, ceiling. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. That's what I meant.
I know what you meant, David. I got you. Trailing. Why didn't you take that trade, David?
I don't know. It's a good question. That was a good trade though.
Yeah, I just trailed both of them for 20. 20 and 40 actually.
At this point,
Don't do anything.
I don't know. Well, we got a lot of buying.
Did you take a trade after the end of this candle?
Just took that trade.
Oh, I already trailed it actually. Yeah, I'm trailing right now again. Holy crap, keep going. 72, 82. Right down to 63. Got pulled out at 63.
I get out of it. I don't like it. It's too close to this pivot.
It's just, do you think it's gonna go back down then now?
Possible. We can have a pretty, see, here's my worry. When we go long right now, every time the market goes up right now, it's going up on a very slow, steady pace. But every time we get a drop, the drops are huge. And so when we're having a struggle to try to get to a certain area on the long side, I don't like it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Even though if I would have stayed in, it still would have been pretty good, but I didn't want to take that risk.
Yeah, no.
I took some money. It was like what, $10? Whatever.
I got 110 from that one trade right there. Just taking it long in that second to last candle actually. For both of them. So how many candles do you usually wait for to see if it's like a price floor or ceiling?
3 to 5, you can start seeing it.
Okay. So
Oh.
this
This is the third one.
yeah, the first three, if it keeps going like that, it might be a
This
ceiling.
candle, and the reason why I got out is because this candle, you see how you had this big candle and then a really small one with it's just really struggling to go up.
Yeah.
So either this one's gonna bring it down to here, possibly down to here, or the next one, the next 2 or 3, we can have like a move down to here.
Okay.
And then if it starts showing back up, then that will be a good trade to go long again.
Okay. Did you take the short then to go back down or no?
No, you're going against the trend
Okay.
because let's say that because I said this could be a ceiling right here too, and it punched through it, right? If it's oh man, I'm gonna take my short here. Look where we're at.
Yeah, no.
And so that's why you're going against, you got to go with the trend. We go with the trend, you're always going with the flow of what people are doing. Right now, people are buying. You want to go with that.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see now. So really, there's no. You see these drops? They're just harder drops.
But you said,
That's my concern.
no, you said that right there, and it's going
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. That's why I got out of that trade. I'm like, it's not going to get me into a trailing position, and this is going to drop, and I'm not going to like what I'm going to see. And so out. You know what I mean?
What's the news going on right now?
There's no news.
I'll get back on in a little while. I gotta jump on a business call.
Okay.
All right. Actually, I might just leave this running in the background.
Oh, look at that drop, guys. That's what I wanted to avoid 100%.
Yeah, look at that. It's a huge move down.
Bro.
Uh-huh. And EMAs are kind of bending too, so I think it's gonna drop more.
Well, let's see. Very possible. Yeah, look at that. Hey, Paresh. Hey, quick question. Do you have a minute to hop on the Zoom?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Everything okay?
We had some issues. I also emailed Elon. I was on a trade and it was supposed to do put in the trailing stop, and the trailing stop disappeared. And then I saw on the software there was a broker reject, and it was on the first tier. So I was like, why would that happen, right? So I looked it up on the RTP and the Rhythmic Trader Pro, and it shows there that the order was canceled. It doesn't show broker reject on RTP. It shows canceled, but it shows broker reject on the software. So I emailed all that to Elon, but I'd like for you to look at it too.
Okay. Did it cost you money?
No, just cost me from making a little bit more.
did you do today?
I'm kind of a little hesitant because of what happened. I'm only about $100 up right now,
Okay.
you know. Just kind of looking for opportunities here. My problem with the market right now, I'm a little hesitant. I go long, so I do take my long trades, but I'm hesitant on taking my long trades because every time I take a long trade and there's a little bit of sell-off, those sell-offs are huge.
Mm-hmm.
And that's my concern on taking long trades right now. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Versus when you take shorts and the market starts going a little bit against you, they're not as big moves against as they are when they sell off.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think it's because the market really wants to correct, but institutions come in and then plug in more money.
Yeah.
That's what I think it is.
Something like that is definitely plaguing this market.
Yeah.
And the euro is like 108.2. And that is one of the reasons why it's shocking to me that crude oil is going down. Normally, crude oil goes up when the euro goes when the dollar goes down.
Okay.
And that's all very weird, honestly, to tell you the truth. It's
Yeah.
like,
Everything is acting very weird. Nothing is normal right now.
yeah, because the market is being manipulated, you know?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, none of these statements that he's making are accidental, David. They're all kind of designed for some kind of disruption.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah.
This is all a setup for something.
Yeah.
So we just got to be careful. We got to play in it, but we got to be careful, you know?
Absolutely.
So the link is on the what's up.
Oh, yeah, I have to send you the link to that.
Yeah.
I have to run my crude oil report too. Here's the link. Here's the link to the preview build.
Okay. Perfect.
Go to your thing. Can you let me in the Zoom?
Okay, I'm gonna hang up here with you.
No, that's okay. David,
Yeah.
are there other people in the room?
Yeah.
We can just stop on this for a second.
Okay, yeah, they can't. Okay, go ahead. You. What the hell? Why isn't it my other screen? Well, this is weird. I'm doing this. And then I'm drawing this screen on my other screen. That's really weird. Yeah, when I do that, hold on a second. Let me do this. Yeah, so whenever I try to lift this up, it's mapping the other screen. I got my other, I got TradeView on there. No. No, yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, in case I need to see it, because sometimes I get ghost orders. And I want to say, okay, is this a good, so I go into. I can't? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so that way if I get into a ghost order or whatever, I just go straight there. It says, okay, where am I? Is it good? Is it bad? You know what I mean? Yeah. 2.5. Yeah, let me see if I can. Yeah, see, I can't. That's weird. Yeah. Wonder if I can do this again. Yeah, no, that's weird. Yeah, might have to restart the computer, which I don't want to. So, $3 to them. They just emailed it. Look it up too. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. No. No, no, it just went up and it went, it went towards, it went up and I had a long order. And then it was supposed to, putting that, um, the training stop and then it disappeared. No, it was going to lock it and it disappeared. No, I didn't. I was still in the contracts. I had to get out manually. Yeah, I don't know what that means. And I don't know why it would do that anyways. No, I I had to close positions and cancel all. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I didn't though. Oh, okay. Mm, yeah, on the ESO. I haven't. Right here. You see it? Okay. So what should we do it? Okay. So keep 10, so 10:30 better? Okay, gotcha. Yeah. What, what about for ES? Is this tight? 6 and 8? Four on this one? Yeah, yeah, at the same time. And then you get those broken rejects. Gotcha. That's what happened. Hmm. Yeah. So how do I get, so I would have to log into that virtual machine. Hmm. Right. Mhm. For these systems. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So I'd have to, well, let me know what's a good one to get. Okay. Yeah, let me know. Okay, sounds good. Well, I'm gonna finish up here and then I'll call you in a little bit. Oh, yeah? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Jeez. I know. It's crazy. So I'll finish up here and then I'll call you. Let's put up those conditionals. I'm gonna download that preview on my computer. We'll put it there. Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. Okay, we'll go over it and we'll just set it up together. Okay, perfect. All right, thanks, Bresh. Bye. All right, guys. Handle that.
David, I saw that coming from a mile away. Holy crap.
You saw what?
The dump right here.
Yeah. Why? Why?
Honestly, I was thinking the double top, but then I was like, there's like a giant ceiling right across like the kind of overall the top of like everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's so close to the pivot point. I was like, this is just gonna go down. I haven't
It's
touched
gonna
it
take
since.
it all back. It's gonna come down to here for sure.
I mean, the NQ is is already like close to it. It's
Dave, was that a software issue or a broker?
No. So in looking and doing some research here, hold on a second, guys. Let's see
All right.
where we're at. Looks like so when I put in when the software, because it's on my desktop here, right?
Yeah.
When it takes the order out and it wants to put in the trailing stop, there's a lag time, and we're talking about milliseconds lag time from here before it gets to the exchange and then to the broker, then to the exchange. By that time, the candle's already done this, right? So there was a really fast moving candle. The candle did this, the order wanted to go in, and by the time that it wanted to go in, the candle went back down. The order hit and rejected it because it was too late, and then the candle went back up.
Makes sense.
And so that's what happened. It happens when you have, and that's why if you guys want to copy these settings, he says you need to your trail stop was too tight. So we expanded a little bit so that doesn't happen.
Right.
Yeah.
wait, so what are you expanding your trail stop to?
So
You're going to MISO, right? Systems.
yeah, go to MISO.
Okay.
On the NQ, we are at 10 and 30. So basically, this went from 20 to 30. That's it.
Long and short NQ?
Yeah, long and short NQ. And on
Okay.
the ES, this going from 6 to 5, and then from 10 to 12.
Okay, hold on. 6 to 5. What goes from 6 to 5 on the ES?
This was at 6, it's at 5 now.
Okay.
And this was at 10 and it's at 12 now.
Okay. And then smart trail stop. Okay, wait. Yeah. 5, 12, 4, 3, and 4. So those are all stay the same.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna save that. 5, 12, 4. then what were you saying? The I need to fix that. Give me 2 seconds. I'm sorry. Five, 12, 4, 3, 4, and then David, what were you saying the NQ switch to?
What's that?
What were you saying the NQ switch to for the smart trail stop?
It just changed from the 20 to 30.
20 to 30. And then what about the break even?
That one stays the same. It's still at 10.
Cool. I think that should be good now. So if it hits that support and keeps going down, you're going to take the trade. But if it hits the support and goes back up, you'll take the trade up.
Yeah, this is starting to look like a good short here, shortly. So let's see here.
The 50 EMA still looks a little bit like flat. So would you just take that on the NQ then?
Yeah, but you got the second candle that closed below it, so it doesn't look bad.
Okay.
See what this candle does.
Okay.
That could be a good trade here.
So you want it to close below the 50 EMA,
Yeah, second candle.
right? Oh, and then I've been meaning to ask you, where are you finding like how long is left for each time?
It's not on here. That's on TradeView. That's on my other system.
Okay.
Can't see that.
Whoa. Oh,
Whoa. Whoa.
That would suck.
David,
Uh,
what the hell
So
just happened?
so this is a perfect indicative of people saying, okay, we're gonna go long. It's gonna find support here, people going long and putting stops here. And now the institutions did that to take stops out and continue up. So it could continue back down. So give it a minute. So institutions are taking people's money right now. Oh shit.
bro, what the
Holy
heck?
crap.
That just flipped way too fast.
Yeah. This is institution money coming in. Market's being very manipulated right now. Very manipulated.
Really.
So is that why you were waiting for it to close below that EMA and then
Yeah.
maybe you would have taken the trade, but since you did wait, you saw that happen.
Yeah.
Okay. Although it's just going right back down. Look at that, like. So does that mean that the market wants to sell off then? If there's
The market's been wanting to sell off and correct for a while, but for whatever reasons, there's institutions are coming in and they don't want it to, and so they're trying to. It's being manipulated, and that's
Okay.
very clear. These moves that you see here, there's no rhyme or reason for them. There's absolutely no news coming out, zero news. So these are 100% manipulation.
Okay.
Percent. This is when institutions they come in and they put like 5,000 contracts. You put 5,000 contracts, and you will have a reaction like this. It will do it.
so then it still might be a good time to put in a short order out if this one closes then again below.
I would wait till it settles. Let it settle.
Yeah. You should hear.
What up?
Don't.
Oh, bro, you're too small. Get some manners.
Don't do that,
Yeah, get
Sorry.
some manners.
bro. It's a manners, he said.
Get some manners, this guy says. Get a load of this guy.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah, this guy, that guy right
Oh,
there.
yeah?
I'm pointing at you.
That guy? Get some manners, bro. Learn how to have some manners.
Oh man. I think you could learn a thing or two from me about
Oh, yeah?
manners. Yeah, I think so.
I think you have more to learn, though.
Oh my
2
God.
years older, but yet still 2 years younger in your manners. You got a lot to learn, young Padawan.
Oh, yeah?
Padawan. He called you a Padawan, bro.
It's all good.
Laughing.
It's all good.
Oh,
Oh my God, David.
If this call wasn't for trading, it would have been different. But and his dad not being here, I'm just respecting. We got some
Yeah.
adult people here.
bro.
Show me what you got in person, though.
Bro.
Oh, I will. Don't worry.
Oh, I'm waiting for you. I
What are
wouldn't
you trying to
mind
do?
kicking
Have a
your
wrestling
ass,
match
bro.
Shahir with Connor?
I wouldn't mind kicking your ass. It's
You're
not
gonna have a
be
right.
wrestling match with Connor, Shahir?
Too
Huh?
much testosterone.
You're
here.
gonna have a wrestling match with Connor?
Oh, any match.
I definitely would put my money on Connor wrestling.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sure he's used to touching others' balls to
Oh.
get them
Well,
down. So
Oh,
I
I'm
wouldn't-
so
I wouldn't-
good at
I wouldn't-
touching
I wouldn't
balls
mind.
here, and I'll touch yours. I'll touch
Oh
yours
yeah,
too.
oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
you're gonna
wouldn't
like
let
it.
you. I wouldn't let you.
All right.
All
I
right.
wouldn't let you. You'll be
No
fucking
more ball
forward.
touching, and let's stick to trading.
Oh my
Sorry,
God.
David.
There's ladies on the phone.
David,
Yeah. What,
can you?
Yeah, you gotta teach your son some manners, Keith.
bro?
Yeah,
You guys
teach
are
him
both
some manners.
talking smack, having fun. He's not being disrespectful.
Oh, yeah?
Neither are you.
Oh yeah, well it's the wrong place. We're here for fucking trading, not
Oh.
showing some stupid
Oh,
muscle.
okay.
Oh
All right,
my
David,
God.
Let's call
Can-
it. Let's call it, guys.
Yeah. Someone gotta
Are
teach
you
your
able to
son how to
have?
behave.
Is it Paresh who codes the stuff, or is it Elon?
No, Elon's the broker. Paresh Paresh is actually the owner of Orion. He's got the programming team.
Okay. Is it possible we could add it like where you can see how long is left on like on each candle? Like just put it up like in the corner somewhere?
This was here, and it's not. It was here. You could actually look at this menu, see the timer, but for whatever reason, it's not working. I brought it up to him, and I mean, there's other priorities,
Yeah, no, I get that, of course.
but we'll see. He's working on it.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's not like a big deal because you can do it in
Yeah.
other areas, but I feel like it would be kind of like just a little
It does
simple
help.
timer right up next to.
It does help.
Uh-huh.
That's why I look at it in TradeView.
Okay. So does that mean that all pretty much like if you look at any chart that's live and doesn't have any like what was it called? I don't even know what it's called. But any chart like on most accounts will have like a timer, and all the timers will be about the same.
All the timers are the same. Yeah.
So that closed under, are you gonna take it?
No, not
So,
yet, because let's go over this here. We have consolidation here, pretty big moves here. I wanted to break this area. I really wanted to break this here on the NASDAQ. And then we can go. If it breaks this area, we may have a move down to here.
yeah.
And if it breaks this, we will have a move down to here. But
Yeah.
that's the S&P.
Okay. But the NASDAQ has a supporting point, and if it breaks that supporting point, it's probably also gonna just kind
Right.
of move down in the ES.
And then we wanted to break this, and then we'll have a move to here.
Yeah. And since these markets are both kind of like similar, they're both gonna move pretty much the same direction.
They'll move similarly, yeah.
Might be it. We'll see.
Oh, boy.
Might be
Oh, there
it.
it is. There it is. Let's
I'm
see.
waiting, David. I got it.
You got in? Hold on.
How long is left?
1 minute and 11 seconds.
I'm gonna see if I can try and find a timer on my E-Trade platform because I do have Power E-Trade here somewhere. There's delayed data. Well, the EMAs are pointing away as well. This might be.
Let's see here.
So David, why did it buy me in 14 contracts on the ES right now?
Who, me?
No, I have a trade in as well. I'm in 14 contracts when I only start with 2.
I have no idea. Look up here to see where you're at.
Yeah, I know. I have a 2 quantity and it
You must have got in really quick on other tiers.
I must have, yeah. That's like what, 3rd tier, 4th tier?
Yeah. The 2, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. Because that's like pretty high in tiers starting with 2.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna
And I
go
didn't
ahead and
see
drop
it
for today.
get up to the to like the red line, so I don't know how that would have happened, but
Hope you have a great rest of your day, everyone, and I'll see everyone tomorrow.
You got it. All right, Alexia.
later.
Have a good
Thank
one.
you. Bye bye.
Bye.
And yo, white kid, you live in PA?
Right now, yeah.
Oh yeah? Good, we can have a match there.
Bro,
How
I'm
about that?
trading. I'm in
He
trades
tells me
right
he
now.
wants to cut it, and now he's the one talking shit.
Bro,
David,
yeah? Bro, you just begun. Just begun.
Bro,
I might even not even let you get to the fucking match.
okay, stop. I'm in trades right now.
Yeah, he runs his mouth too much for his
I'm in
age.
trades right now, guys. And we're on YouTube.
yeah, David, I wanna go over my preferences because it just bought me in on 62 contracts.
Yeah, we'll go over it. Let me get out of this trade.
Yeah, of course, of course.
We'll go over it.
I mean, if I trail it, that would be awesome because that would put me up like, oh, I'm trailing NQ, yeah. And I'm hoping it trails me on ES right now, but we'll see. Yeah, because I don't ever want to be on 62 contracts from 2. Like that just doesn't make sense.
No, you're just really high in tiers.
Yeah, of
So we'll go over it here in a minute.
course.
Oh, there
Oh,
we go.
wow.
There we
Holy crap,
go.
I'm trailing though.
Trailing on the NQ. Out of the NQ. Come on, S&P trailing.
Holy crap. I'm trailing like $1,000 right now.
Yeah, it's nice.
Holy crap, that was nuts. I don't ever want that to happen though. That was
Beautiful. Trailing the S&P. If this goes down, it keeps me trailing, I'll be golden. Be
yeah, no
nice to
kidding.
trade.
Yeah, that was crazy. I don't want that to happen again where I'm in that many tiers. It's cool when you win money, but when you lose, it's not, you know.
Not cool. That is what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Shit.
If it breaks below that support on the ES, are you gonna take another one?
Well, it's not gonna break. It's going to support here. And it's
No, on
gonna
the ES, I
support
mean
here.
though.
Oh, after this is not a support. Yeah, this support could be. Yeah. See where we're at. There's just a lot of buyers right now where it's
Oh
at.
yeah.
There's a lot of buyers, so I'm expecting a pullback. The
Okay.
problem with today is institutions are really manipulating today, big time.
Yeah.
Damn.
That dump is just insane.
Today's an insane day. It's a crazy day.
Trevor Callan.
I must be getting really, really, really lucky or something because I keep on buying ins and then just trailing.
That's because there's a lot of volatility,
Yeah.
and this is an insane drop. I hope it doesn't take me out. God damn it.
Oh my gosh. That's what I said.
Really trying to.
I
But
gotta get out of this
I'm
one. I'm
worried
still,
that we're gonna have a pullback to about back to the support.
yeah, I gotta get on this trade right now. I'm still in on 2 contracts.
This is just a crazy day today.
Yeah.
Insane day.
So David, what do I do if it's gonna probably go back up? Do I cut a loss or do I just wait for it?
I mean, what tier are you in?
I'm only in 2. I only have 2 contracts. So that's only first tier.
Oh, that's the first tier. Where's yours? Are you in the Nasdaq or the S&P?
Just NASDAQ only.
Where's your second tier at? Right
I believe it's right on the top of that red candle right there.
here. Bring it
That
up.
last red candle.
Bring it up to about right here.
Okay.
Oh, you're on the S&P or the Nasdaq? You said.
No, just NASDAQ.
Oh yeah. So bring it up to about right here. There it
Okay.
is. Coming back down again.
Yep.
It's a crazy day today.
Come on. Come on, please. Yes, I trailed. Yes. Oh my God. That was scary. We're good though.
You trailed it?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm out completely. It wasn't bad. It was, I mean, it didn't keep trailing, but it went to like 20 bucks and then pulled me out. So I mean, I'm happy with that completely. If it breaks those first 30-minute candles, are you gonna take another one?
Say that again?
If it breaks those candle lines, the first 15-minute candle lines, are you gonna do another one?
Well, I don't think it's gonna break it, to be honest with you. I think it's gonna support it right here. I think that we're gonna have a pullback.
Okay.
Right about now, or close to it. But if it breaks it, I'm gonna watch it and see, because if it breaks it, I don't think it's gonna go far. Not today.
Yeah. Okay, wait, can we quickly go over my settings for my ES because
Yeah,
it went like
give me a minute, give me a minute.
okay.
All right, just got so much going on right now. Even the options are moving that much today. Oh my God. That's breaking through.
So you're still not going to take it though, you said, because
I'm
you don't
I'm
think it's
being
going to go
honest.
far?
Today I'm not sure. There's been a lot of crazy movement. I'm being honest. I'm just, ooh, look at that. Fucking hell.
I think I might. I think I might take it if
Take
it.
it. See what happens.
All right, I'll tell you what happens. How long is left on the candle?
41 seconds.
1 second. Okay. I'm in on Nasdaq right now.
You're in the NASDAQ?
Yep.
It's just crazy today. It's insane.
Trailing S&P right now. Holy crap. Holy crap, I'm trailing both. I'm still trailing S&P right now, David. It is
Awesome.
dumping.
Yeah, it is dumping.
That was crazy. I'm still trailing. Oh my God. Dad, I'm a millionaire. Okay, I gotta get going to class. That was a great last trade. Are you gonna be staying on for long, or are you gonna probably?
Yeah, I'll be gone in about 2 hours, hour and a half.
Okay, so I might be able to get back on then after, but we'll see.
Okay. All right.
All right, if not that, then I mean I'll see you guys all later.
All right. See you
San
later.
Francisco, yeah. I'll see you later, David. Bye, Dad.
Bye.
I'll call you
Bye.
later probably. Bye, Shahir.
I have my music blasting. That's why I have myself mute.
Yeah, I took that candle right back.
Yeah.
Dude, it's just crazy today.
But that move down is insane.
No, it is insane.
Yeah. Bro, it's so nice out. It's finally raining.
It's raining. Yeah, I know.
Right?
Let me hold on a second, guys. I gotta call my client here. We got 30 knot gusts of 30 knots. That's not good. And then we got Mm, all right, let's go. Bro, this is crazy. Takes the candle back and then right back down.
Yeah, but it
What's
looks
it
like it's making a
doing?
floor right there. There's a little bit of going back and forth.
What's it doing?
Rodolfo Molina, WhatsApp audio.
I'm gonna be honest, today I'm very hesitant. I've put in a few trades and they've been like, I've been on pin and needles because it's not like I'm not comfortable with, I know what it's going to do. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
I'm more as like, shit, I hope I don't get one of those institutions coming in. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, like earlier, huh?
Yeah. So that's my biggest concern today.
Right.
You know, look at this candle.
Right. All right, David, I'm gonna drop for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good. Have a good one.
All right. All right. Thank you. Bye, Keith. Bye, Liberto. Have a good day.
See ya.
Catch you guys later. Bye.
Man, freaking hell. Hey, hey. What up, what up?
I meal prepped.
Nice.
I'm proud of myself.
So are you? Everything good, baby girl? Look at that.
Trevor Cowan.
Hey, Trevor. Okay. No, that's fine with me. I just feel bad. I just don't want you to go through all that crap, you know, it's gonna be nasty. Yeah. Well, we're not charging you for this one at all, so you're good to go. Yeah, it's not gonna be taking out of the deposit. You got it, man. Thanks, Trevor. All right, bye.
Bueno, David, voy a dejar por hoy. Nada, continúo con eso y
Espera que te, sí, ok, ok. Ah, hoy te voy a mandar tu pago, perdona, que se me ha olvidado ya que tuve que volar. Lo voy a mandar ahora, ¿vale? Me acabo de recordar.
vale, bueno, gracias.
Ok,
Pues mañana estamos, sí, mañana viernes estamos en contacto. Mañana nos vemos por aquí.
ok, listo.
Venga, que vaya bien el día. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Bye, Keith. Bye,
Bye,
Paresh.
Alberto. Adios.
Hey, Paresh, you there? I didn't know you were there.
It doesn't look like he is. She here gets a little worked up, huh?
These kids, man. Yeah,
Connor was just completely joking.
I know.
That's why I didn't say anything. I just laughed.
I don't say anything. I'm trying to keep the peace. That's why I tell
It's
everybody
like, why?
we're
I'm like,
trading. Keep it,
yeah.
you know.
I mean, if you can't joke around without getting all like personal,
I know it.
then don't joke around. It was dumb. I told Connor, I said, just don't, I texted him. I said, just don't say anything. It's just dumb. I think, I don't know what nationality is, but he seems to have that, I'm cooler than cool and tougher than tough.
You know, I had a chat with him too, off. You know, I said, hey, you need to cool it. You know, nobody here is out for anybody. We're all having a
Yeah.
good time trading.
Absolutely.
I don't know why he gets all worked up. I have no idea.
I think it's just his, whatever, like I said, I don't know where he's from, but maybe it's just,
Yeah,
I don't know. It's dumb if you ask me.
there's no need for it. That's for sure.
No. I mean, if you want to joke around and we're going to wrestle, great, wrestle, have fun. Don't be all like personal, like, oh, whoop your ass. I'm like, come on.
Yeah, and if you get your ass whooped, then deal with it.
Yeah, like, I mean, I think it would be funny. I think Connor would take him down and just have his way with him.
Yeah.
But he's like, oh no, it's like the guys that are all big and muscle in the gym. Oh, I could take somebody out.
Well, that's the problem. He goes to the gym. He's muscly that way, and he thinks that.
Yeah.
But hey, I go to the gym every day too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah.
I don't.
Doesn't do as well for us anymore.
Dude, I'm losing weight. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good.
That's good.
Yeah, but it's not
Harder
the
as we get
same.
older.
It's not the same. I
Yeah,
used to go to the gym and get buff and no problem, and
Yeah.
now it's a struggle. You know?
Oh, yeah. I used to just get in shape like that.
Yeah.
Connor makes me sick because he'll be like, oh, I got to be 7 pounds lighter for a wrestling tournament. Dude, in like a week, he loses 5 or 7 pounds. Me? Yeah, I'd have to starve myself.
Yeah, it's not the same anymore,
Mm-mm.
for sure.
No, metabolisms get really bad as you get older.
But what you gonna do, man? I don't know.
Right?
I don't know, dude.
I just laughed. I'm like, you have
You
no
got
idea.
to. I mean, what are you gonna do?
I'm like, you have no idea.
Gonna work?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get some boba?
Nice for ice.
I got my videos.
You did?
I got. I'm in them today. After I have so much to do today after trading that I've I have to do things. But yeah.
I tried meal prepping. Michael and I went to Costco. Like
Nice.
food, yeah. I ate my
Are you picking up the cold today?
meal.
And mommy said you're picking her up.
Picking her up.
That's what I heard.
Well, I was unaware, so.
But I don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? I never know anything.
I love you.
Love you too. Kids, man.
Yep.
All right, so here's the options on the software key, so you see it.
Hold on,
You
let me,
get
oh, yeah,
options.
okay.
You get the options quote, right? Here's your strike price. So
Okay.
right now, where's the S&P at 57.45? I'd buy like a 5,600 put. Is it cheaper?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so yeah, I go to like 55.50.
But for every dollar it moves less for the option, right? Because you're not closer to the money.
Yeah, but in futures it moves quite a bit. I mean, for the move that we're trying to do. So I want to keep it around 40 something is where I want to keep it at. So maybe 5,500. So 36, this would be a good one. I have a spreadsheet. So 36. So it would be 5,500 strike. So if I do a 5,500 strike at 36.75 and I buy 5 contracts, that's 9 grand, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's my max loss. And then
Right.
based on my indication for the day, for example, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm not gonna lose 9 grand.
Right.
And then at some point today, I'll get out of it. You know,
What expiration are you looking at?
so this is expiration right here. So you got month, year. So this is it expires at the end of the month.
Oh,
And I can go like, for example, if I want to look for expiring in April, like there,
mm-hmm.
and then fetch quotes. Here's my April ones.
Mm-hmm.
And all the data's coming in
Yep.
and the prices and stuff. I know the price says he's having some issues on the data on these stuff, so that's why I'm sticking within the month. But you know, usually you can go out 6 months. So let's say you want to go August, right? You go fetch quotes.
Right.
Actually, I'm gonna take this strike price out. I don't know why we're having issues. I need him to fix that like ASAP. But anyway, so here's the prices. Here's the last bid. And then all you do is just right click on here. Let's say that I do want to get to 55. The 5,500 right here.
Mm-hmm.
So this side's put, this side's call.
Right.
So 5,500. So I just right click, show on ladder price. And now here's my option.
Mm-hmm.
And now, oh,
So you'll basically, when you do it, you'll just buy it and just let it ride.
yeah, just let it ride.
You close it every day though.
I do close it every day.
Right.
Where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. So here's the option. So here's a ladder. And now I can see how it moves.
Mm-hmm.
You see how it's moving. And then I would put my quantity. Let's get a preview, and I would put my order right here. Boom. And it's just buy it. That's it. And just let this ride.
Mm-hmm.
And at the end of my trading session, okay, where am I? You know, and I can say, and let's say the market goes against me, and I buy 3 or 4 contracts, I can always buy, okay, I'm gonna buy another 4 at a different price and average that out.
Yep.
you know?
Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm down a shit ton right now
What are you
on
down?
the SPY. Oh God. On that trade. $8,400.
Bro, did you buy a call?
Yep.
Why would you buy a
Yesterday.
call? Oh,
Because I think it's going to go up. I still think it's going to go up for a day or two.
I don't think so. I
You think it's only going to go down for the next
Yes.
week? Really?
Dude, the correction is huge. It's
I
gonna
know,
be
but they're
huge
they're
correction.
manipulating the markets, and I think they're going to manipulate it up before they let it go down further. But
I
maybe
know,
not.
but one thing about manipulation that you need to
Mhm.
understand is you're right. They are manipulating the market and they want to keep it up. But look at where the price is at. We're at 57. When we first started, we were at 6,200.
Mhm.
Okay. And so for as much as they're trying to manipulate, people want to sell off. So they're going to manipulate it temporarily. They're going to get some stops out. They're going to get
Right.
some from America, and then it's going to dump again.
Oh, let's see. I mean, we've had only losing days except yesterday. Yeah. I mean, I have plenty of time. I have till June. So even if it goes down a little bit,
Yeah, you have till June. I mean,
right.
you can hold it up. Have you held a trade that long before?
No, I wouldn't necessarily want to hold it that long, but I don't think it's going to go back up. I mean, I don't know. I think it's going to, I kind of feel like it's going to bottom out where it is right now, maybe 570, the SPY that is. And I think it's going to pop back up a little bit because the SPY has been as high as like whatever, 612. And I think they're going to, I don't know if they'll get it quite to 612, but I think in 2 weeks they could. And if they get it up, over 600, I'll be up a shit ton.
Oh yeah, for
I
sure.
mean, yeah. So,
Especially if you cost average it.
right. Which I already did that, but it just, to be honest, at one point when the stock was when everything was up towards the top earlier, I was actually even or plus like $600 on the trade because I dollar cost averaged in today. I bought some more,
Yeah.
but I still think it's going to be okay. I just don't know if it'll be a day, a week, or 2 weeks. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
And I mean, I could be wrong, and obviously I'm risking, 30 contracts, but
Yeah.
they're not going to just let it go one way for so long, even if it's going to crash. I mean, unless it's just a crash. At that point, we're all screwed. But I think it's going to come around. I'm really surprised it went down today because I feel like they're going to make some concessions and all this tariff stuff's coming up and whatnot. I think they're going to do that. And there's going to be some elation in the market where, oh yeah, everything got resolved, not to worry.
Yeah.
And I think that's going to happen. It's going to put it on a 1 week or a 2 week up trajectory. I just don't know if it'll, I'm not trying to time it. I just think I have enough time for it to do that. And when I look back in, let's see here, like where we're at now for low, it's right about even with where we were at in, when is this? January 13th. And then there's a couple other lows and there was another low right around here, which was November 4th. So there's been some lows. All the other lows are good, 588, 590. So I think it's kind of testing this 570 number for the SPY, 573. And then I think it's going to trend back up again long term. That's where I would see it turning. It just hasn't turned yet. And I mean, it's gone all the way down from 612, 613 on, where's the date? February 19th. So we're only 2.5, 3 weeks of going down. Usually it trends 2.5 weeks in one way and then 2.5 another. If it's not just doing this, like consolidated. So we've got actually it's been a pretty long downturn this time, longer than most, which makes me feel like, well, maybe let's see. December 12th, December 20th. Yeah, I mean, it only trends down January. A month is the most. So, I mean, hopefully it doesn't go a month down, but I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope I'm right because I'd like to close this trade out positive. And
Are
I
you
made
down now?
I made dollar cost average in some more.
Yeah, what are you down now?
Oh, I don't know, about 8. It ranges from I was even to down 7,700. I think the SPY might, for whatever reason, I feel like the SPY is going to come back roaring back for some reason. They're going to put
It could come back up to the pivot point and pass it. So you could come back up to a close to 59 to 600. Yeah, it's very possible. There's not saying it won't. I mean, that move, it could be there in a few days.
Yeah, I really think it's gonna do. I mean, maybe not. Let me see one other thing.
And if it does that, then you'll make good money.
I mean, even for today, let's see, March. Let's see where we're at. Oh, here. So the volume today is kind of low. It's not high so far for the SPY. Compared, like the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days had higher volume. The next slowest day was this day, which was February 20th. So like 2 weeks ago was a lower volume, and then the volume kicked up. But we have had some good volume the last 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 5 days of trading have been pretty good volume. So I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. I didn't do this because it was like I have to make money the same day. Don't get me wrong. I like making money the same day. But I screwed up yesterday and I sold out before the stock went up even more. I would have made an extra, $2 a share potentially, which would have I had a lot.
Yep. Yep. I mean, yeah, on the options, I just let them, I'll find the move, I'll buy it, and I'll just let it go for the rest of the day. I won't even look at it. And then at the end of the trading day, I'll close it out.
Right.
I'll be done with it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
So, I'm gonna be done.
All right, buddy.
I got things to do today.
Very cool.
It looks like I'm not flying it. Dude, they're at fucking 30 knots over the Southern California mountains.
Oh, geez. Yeah, that sucks.
That would be so he called me, he says, "What do you think?" And I said, "I'll pick you up. You want me to go pick you up? I'll pick you up. I don't give a shit. I've been through this and it's just, I'm okay. But you're going to not like it.
Yeah, you're going to be mad.
It's going to be bumpy. It's going to be turbulent. You might, it's not going to be a nice flight. Or you can tomorrow, and it'll be nice and smooth, like when it was when we went over.
When Audra and I flew to Connor last Friday,
yeah,
we got out at 11, and the winds at noon were projected to be like gusting 40.
Yeah.
So this was an hour before that, and they were already like 25 knots. And when we took off, it was like, woohoo! She was not liking it.
That was bumpy, huh?
Yeah. She goes, "How long do you think it'll last?" And I said, probably till about, 3,000 or 5,000 feet, above ground. And then once we got up to, I think it was 3,000 feet, it was still a little bumpy. We had to hold at 3,000 for a minute. And I actually was going with climb power. And then I'm like, all right, I'm going to slow down the power, bring that power back a little bit. But I was like, you know what, we're okay. And then as soon as they gave us, higher, it was no problem.
But you don't have mountains.
No.
That's the difference. We have terrain, and then terrain,
right.
When you have that type of wind with mountains, you get
it makes it worse.
Yeah, you get mount waves, downdrafts, updrafts.
Oh, if there's mountains and they're 3,000, I'm not going 4 or 5. I'm going 6 or 7. I don't want to play.
But even so, I mean, these mountains are at like 5,000, 6,000 feet.
Yeah, you got to be over them.
Yeah, I fly at 10,000, 12,000. I still get 1,000-foot downdrafts.
Oh, absolutely. You definitely try to be safe.
Yeah. So
you want to give yourself margin for error, right?
So he's like, I go, "I'll pick you up tomorrow. I'll be nice and smooth." And then I guess he had something to do. So he called me back and he said, "We're just going to drive back." I'm like, okay.
You remember Will, my buddy Will, you remember Will, right?
Yeah.
So my uncle used to always joke that he was, Doogie Howser, gay, this, that, the other, right? And He's like, no, and he's, got a girlfriend and a kid and all this stuff now. But years ago, we were flying into San Jose and it was socked in, right?
Yeah,
Could not get in, just like 0-0. So we land just on the east side of whatever that mountain range is right there. And we rent a car. They give us a club car. And we're driving through the hills of Gilroy, okay? And as we're driving, you see fresh garlic, garlic capital of the world, blah, 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 garlic farm, stop in, garlic oil. And I'm just driving, and all of a sudden Will looks over and he goes, Keith, can I ask you something that might sound weird? And I go, yeah, sure, Will. He goes, are you farting? Because if you are, it smells really good. And I look at him and I go, does it smell like garlic? And do you love garlic? He goes, yeah. I go, you freaking idiot. Are you not seeing the signs?
that's
Freaking laugh my
funny,
ass off.
man.
Oh my God. I'll never forget that. I'm like, Will, you're a ding dong.
Are you farting?
Yeah. Are you farting? Because it smells really good.
He's in Texas, isn't he?
He's in Vegas.
Oh, he's living in Vegas?
Yeah.
I should look him up. 'Cause I go to Vegas a lot. So
Yeah. He's there. He's doing good. He's doing pretty good.
my gosh.
All right. Well, you have fun with that, and then we'll talk later. And then I'll let you know. I put in a text to my mechanic. He's checking the information on the Navajo
Okay, sounds good, man.
that the guy is selling. I'm gonna, like the year, if it's a chieftain. I think the end. I'll have him check and see
Yeah.
if you can make a deal.
Okay.
All right.
David, quickly before you go, can I ask you about what had happened with the ES
With your settings?
when I
Hold on.
yeah when I
Let me
when I
see.
bought them?
Finish making sure that all my working orders are done.
Yeah, no.
I'm going to, because I got two.
I'm happy with what happened, but I don't necessarily want that to happen
No, you
again
don't
where I
want
get
that to
put in like
happen,
the
dude.
5th tier.
It turned out good, doesn't mean that
Yeah.
you're not good next time,
No, I get it.
you know?
I mean, yeah.
So. But
Dad relief? No, my dad's still here. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
okay, so let's pull up your systems, your miso.
Yep.
Your ES. Does it look like this?
Can you read them out to me?
What do you want me to read you out?
It's the scale and offset should be 10, 10, 10, 15, right? All
Yeah.
limit.
Yeah,
5, 15, 35, 17.
yeah.
Or wait, no, that 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, so for some reason my exit quantity is 2, 6, 14, 30,
Because-
62.
Right. If I change my quantity here to 2, like you,
Okay.
then that's gonna change. See that?
Yeah.
So it depends on what you
2,
start.
4,
I
8,
start with
16,
5.
32. Okay, so I mean it's all the same, it looks like. It might have just been a really volatile thing and I just got like
Where's your
didn't-
so it's
5, 12, 4, 3, 4. I have 5, 12, 4, 3, 4. Yeah, I have the same thing.
yeah, so I don't know. If I don't see what happened, I have no idea.
Yeah, I mean, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I mean it honestly because it brought me to the 5th tier. It might have honestly just been like
A volatile candle and it picked you up too quickly.
yeah, it must have been. And I thought it was looking, but I might have just missed a really, really, really volatile thing that I just, whatever. But
Yeah.
okay, that's not bad. But be more careful next time.
We'll try next time tomorrow and see
Of
where we're
course. Of course. I might not be here tomorrow because I think I have a flight. I'm gonna have to check on that, but I'm going back home. So
at. Okay. Well, maybe tomorrow You
Yeah,
guys
I'll,
you can trade together.
yeah, I mean, I'll probably bring my computer that I have right here home, possibly,
Don't have
but
to.
we'll see what happens.
Oh, you have to. No, Connor, we're going to Colorado.
Yeah, I know. But I mean, we can figure it out.
You
Don't
flying
bring
to
it.
Colorado? You flying your airplane to Colorado? You're going commercial?
No, my airplane is flying to Colorado tomorrow with Connor's future father-in-law, but he's flying to Loveland, and we're flying to Eagle in the
Vail.
evening. Vale, yeah, Eagle Vale.
Yeah.
So
So your
the weather's.
airplane, what do you mean your airplane's flying to Colorado?
I have a partnership with his girlfriend's dad. He's a pilot for Southwest.
Oh, so your partnership is with his girlfriend's dad.
Yep.
Yeah, he's the
So you guys are-
Southwest captain. So
You're gonna be on that 421 going to Colorado?
Connor is flying into Chicago O'Hare,
Yeah.
and then his mom, sister, and I, younger sister, are driving to Chicago, and then we're jumping on the same flight with him to Eagle, and then we're going to be there to snowboard and stuff for 3-4 days.
yeah,
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Connor's spring break starts Friday,
Nice.
so we're going to go snowboarding. Actually, his cousin is coming too. So we're going to go Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then I'm going to be back Monday, and then I'm in Vegas Thursday through Saturday morning next week.
For work?
Yeah, work, and then I'm just going to hang out because why not?
Yeah, why not?
I'm going to try to play a little poker.
I'm gonna be in Vegas April 3rd.
April.
I'm gonna
3rd.
go to the Eagles concert.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. And so we're probably gonna head to Mexico on our yacht next week or the following, because it's their spring break.
Right.
We'll do that.
Yeah, I might try to go to Mammoth like March 24th for my daughter's spring break and go snowboarding with my friend and his wife and family from Vegas.
Yeah,
I don't know. Too many freaking trips, man. It's ridiculous.
I know.
I
I know.
need to
It's
just-
true.
I want to relax
Really
for
true.
a little bit. It's like, oh yeah, and then yeah, Connor comes back from snowboarding, then stays home for a few days, and then he goes to Florida with his girlfriend,
Yeah,
spends a few days with her, then he goes back to school, then her spring break starts from her college, and then she's going on a cruise with her grandma, stepmom, or whatever, yeah, and sister and aunts, and just a girls' trip. So it's like ridiculous. These kids and all their damn travel.
it's good, man. All right, I gotta get going. I got
All right.
an
Have a great day.
appointment at BMW with my car.
I'll let you know when I hear about the Navajo.
Yeah, let me know. We'll
All
talk
right,
to you
buddy.
guys tomorrow.
All right. Have a good
See
day.
you later.
You too, man.
How much did you make today, David?
No,
Anything? 80
I
bucks?
made 170.
Oh, all right. Well,
I was really worried on these little spikes,
yeah.
but I should have taken this advantage of this move down here. And I'm looking at my charts and anyways,
It's all right.
no big deal.
Yeah. Better not to lose,
No?
right?
Yep,
All right. Cool beans. Talk to you in a little bit.
you got it. All right,
Bye.
see ya.
See you later.
All right, for everyone on YouTube that's